Hey, this is John with FixYourDirtBike.com, and this is how to service the exhaust valve on your 1994 through 2001 Yamaha YZ125. This is my quick point-to-point video. If you would like to see the service done in real time, I have that video linked below, as well as a link to the full top-end service. As always, parts and tools are linked below. Your exhaust valve has a lot of small, losable parts, so stay as organized as possible. These components are hard to get without buying an entire parts engine. The exhaust valve is in direct contact with the exhaust, so this will be a messy removal. Start by removing the exhaust valve cover and throw away the old gasket. Remove the screw securing the link lever to the valve shaft. Carefully remove the valve shaft from the cylinder and remove the left collar and spring, link lever, right spring, and collar. Remove the screws securing the power valves, then remove both valves. Inspect the valve shaft for cracks and burrs. Inspect the holders and power valves for cracks and burrs. Most burrs can be removed with a fine-tooth file, but cracked parts need to be replaced. Make sure the pins are secure within the valve, but do not try to remove the pins. Inspect the exhaust valve operating area in the cylinder block for excessive wear or damage. As you may have noticed, your exhaust valve has a lot of small parts, and since these parts are small and in constant contact with the exhaust, make sure to clean them as thoroughly as possible. The power valves are not symmetrical, so you have to install them on the correct sides of the cylinder. Lubricate all moving parts with two-stroke oil. Install the right side power valve first, followed by the left. Use new screws to secure the power valve. Apply thread lock and install the power valve mounting screws. Yamaha does not supply a torque specification for the power valve mounting screws, so I am torquing them to 20 inch-pounds, so I know they are evenly tightened. After tightening, check the valves for unrestricted movement. Install the pivot shaft, collars, and link lever assembly. Make sure the link lever springs are positioned on the exhaust valve pins. Check the shaft and valves for any binding before you install the link lever screw. Apply thread locker and install the link lever screw. Torque the link lever screw to 44 inch-pounds on 1994 through 1995 models and 35 inch-pounds on 1996 through 2001 models. Rotate the valve shaft manually to check for smooth operation of the shaft and power valves. If the valves or shaft stick in any position, there is interference in one of the components. Correct this before installing anything else. Install a new gasket and install the cover. I have no idea where the gasket was for this, so to make sure I don't forget, I put a piece of paper in there, so when I find the gasket, I know where it goes. If the cover is installed upside down, the link lever will contact it, limiting the movement of the power valves. If you need any help or have any questions about your exhaust valve service, please let me know in the comments or send me a DM. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.